Hi viewers and friends, welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Men's Srikakulam. Today we will discuss about the SET exam chemical science question paper.
సో ఈరోజు మనం కెమికల్ సైన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సొల్యూషన్స్ మనం ఈరోజు చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ హ్యాస్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎఫినిటీ. సో సీ ద ఆన్సర్స్ హియర్. ద నియాన్ 3s2 3p3, నియాన్ 3s2 3p4, నియాన్ 3s2 3p5, నియాన్ 3s2 3p2. So this is the electronic configuration of phosphorus because it is a 15 electrons, neon 10, 12, 15. So here the 16 sulfur, this is called chlorine, this is called silk. In the periodic table, the highest electron affinity element is a chlorine is the highest electron affinity element. So the right answer is C. See the next question. The shape of S2F2 is similar to. In this case, the structure of S2F2 is, this is called disulfur difluoride. See all the options. This is called difluoroacetylene. So this is not equal to this structure. This is also triple bond compounds, acetylene. In this case, H2F2, it is a monovalent compound generally, so it is not existed. So the answer is H2O2. The structure of H2O2 similar to this H2F2. So this is the structure. So both central atoms, sulfur oxygens in same family. So the answer is H2F2, hydrogen peroxide. Taking into account the isoelectronic principle and Vesper theory, predict which of the following pair both molecular species have pyramidal shape. See this case, BO3 3 minus boric acid, so it is a borate ion and it is a sulfide. But this is the trigonal planar shape, this is called pyramidal shape. In this case, it is a CO3 carbonate ion, so this is called trigonal planar, so it is called sp2 hybridized molecule. This is also trigonal planar. In this case, sp3 pyramidal shape, ClO3 minus, it is also sp3 pyramidal shape. This is called trigonal planar. Which both molecule species have pyramidal shape. In this case, C option is the correct. In the both cases, it is both are pyramidal in shape. So both are sp3 hybridized molecule having one lone pair of electrons in. So option C is the correct. See the fourth bit. Which of the following is bicyclo 322 nonane? See all the options A, B, C, D. In A case, this is called 3 1 2 3 2 1 3 2 1 structure. In this case, B, 2, first of all highest number 1 2 3, so 3 2 2 3 2 2. So this is the right answer. In other cases, 3 3 1 4 2 0. So option B is the correct answer. So this is the structure of bicyclo 3222 nonane. The fifth bit. Which of the following isomer which is thermodynamically the most stable? In cyclohexane case, stability based upon the disubstituted molecules, two equatorial groups compounds are more stable. E more stable, then EA, finally AA. Due to IAA, diaxial interactions more, it's destabilizes the molecule. So two equatorial group compound is a more stable. See this, here the equatorial axial, here equatorial and equatorial. In this case equatorial, this is called axial group. In this case equatorial and axial groups. So based upon the stability order, the both equatorial group 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane, it is a trans compound, it is the more stable cyclohexane compound. So ఇది మనకు more stable. మిగతావన్నిట్లో remaining all these A, C, D have 1,3 diaxial interactions, it destabilizes the molecule. So B is the right answer. Anti-aromatic compound among the following. This is given, answer is one is cyclooctatetraene. So it is tetraene means 8 pi electrons. Pyrrole means it is a 6 pi electrons. Toluene means 6 pi electrons. Aromatic. This is called aromatic. So A16 aniline. It is a 16 pi electrons. Generally 18 pi electrons aromatic. This is called non-aromatic. Really. In this case also non-aromatic, because these compounds are non-planar molecules. Both 16 aniline and cyclooctatetraene is non-planar molecules. So these are non-aromatic compounds. So the question is wrong, and our correct answers also not match. So the 6 and pyrrole and toluene is aromatic, and here the no answer is present. So if you consider both 1 and 4 is non-aromatic, so option C is the correct. When the answer C is correct, 1 and 4 are non-aromatic, then the answer C is the correct. See the next question. The eigenvalue of function E alpha x for the operator d square dx square plus 2d by dx plus 3 is. So one formula is there. Operator into wave function is equal to E psi. Here the operator is, this is called operator. So d square dx square plus 2d by dx plus 3 into the wave function is e power alpha x. If you derivative, you can solve this. D by dx of d by dx into e power alpha x plus 2 d by dx of alpha x plus 3 into e power alpha x. If you derivative this compound, so this alpha into e power alpha x, again d by dx plus 2 into alpha into e power alpha x plus 3 into e power alpha x, again derivative. So e power alpha x, again alpha into alpha square alpha x plus 2 alpha e power alpha x plus 3 into e power alpha x. So totally we common this, so alpha square 2 alpha plus 3 into e power alpha x. So the option is, this is the option is alpha square 2 alpha plus 3 is the right answer. In Boltzmann distribution law, the constant beta value is equal to, so this value is equal to 1 by kT, the Boltzmann constant and absolute temperature. So the option D is the correct. The number of theoretical vibrational degrees of freedom in benzene molecules. So you know the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. So the degrees of freedom, how the total degrees of freedom is 3n. The vibrational degrees of freedom is 3n minus 6. Here the n is equal to 12. You substitute this 12 value. Minus 6 is equal to 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. These are the vibrational degrees of freedom. The option C is the correct. For real gas, Cp is equal to Cv at, when the Cp is equal to Cv, when the absolute temperature, the value of real gas Cp is equal